shots very well, Jaffa. All the swing in the world, but as I said, he plays very late, so he can afford.
हाय दोस्तों, फिर से एक बार स्वागत है आप सबका मेरे ऑफिशियल यूट्यूब चैनल पर। आज हम लोग बात करेंगे जो इंडिया वर्सेस श्रीलंका सीरीज शुरू होने वाली 18 तारीख से। जो पहले 3 वनडे इंटरनेशनल्स है, उसके बाद 3 T20 इंटरनेशनल्स है, एक सेकेंड स्ट्रिंग टीम जो इंडिया ने भेजी है श्रीलंका। हमारी जो मेन टीम है, जो टेस्ट टीम है, वो इंग्लैंड में खेल रही है। बट स्टिल, लाइक आई सेड लास्ट टाइम, कि उसके अलावा भी ये हमारी टीम बहुत ही स्ट्रांग है और प्रोबेबली मेरे हिसाब से फेवरेट्स है गोइंग इनटू दिस सीरीज, व्हिच गोज ऑन टू शो द बेंच स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ इंडियन क्रिकेट। तो पहली बार की तरह फिर से हमारे साथ आज जुड़ने वाले हैं कॉमन मैन, जो इस सीरीज को लेके मेरे से कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछेंगे और जानना चाहेंगे कि मेरी क्या राय है। तो मैं आप सबका स्वागत करवाता हूं कॉमन मैन के साथ।
Hello, sir. Thank you so much for inviting this common man on a non-Wednesday too. First of all, sir, I have a lot of questions, but first I would like to know your thoughts on the team that is in Sri Lanka at the moment, the white ball specialist team. So what do you think, sir, about that team?
काफी स्ट्रांग टीम है, देयर इज नो डाउट। इसमें से बहुत सारे प्लेयर्स हमारी वनडे टीम के रेगुलर्स हैं, जैसे शिखर धवन, हार्दिक पांड्या, और उसके अलावा भुवी, यजुवेंद्र चहल। तो बहुत सारे प्लेयर्स हमारे वाइट बॉल के प्लेयर्स इसके अंदर हैं। बट उसके अलावा बहुत सारे एक्साइटिंग प्लेयर्स भी सिलेक्ट किए गए हैं, जैसे कि पृथ्वी शॉ वापस आए हैं, देवदत्त पडिक्कल, अनदर एक्साइटिंग टैलेंट। ऋतुराज गायकवाड़ को मौका मिला है। वरुण चक्रवर्ती आए हैं इस टीम में। संजू सैमसन की फिर से वापसी हुई। तो काफी एक्साइटिंग प्लेयर्स हैं जिनको मैं देखना चाहूंगा, खास करके जबकि T20 वर्ल्ड कप अराउंड द कॉर्नर है। तो ये बहुत अच्छा मौका है इन यंग टैलेंट्स को देखने का, और खास करके इस टीम के साथ राहुल द्रविड़ एज अ कोच जुड़े हुए हैं। तो आई एम श्योर उनको बहुत कुछ सीखने मिलेगा राहुल द्रविड़ से, ना ही सिर्फ क्रिकेट की चीजें, बट उसके अलावा भी बहुत सारी चीजें जो एक क्रिकेटर गुजरता है जिस दौर से। मुझे ऐसा लगता है राहुल द्रविड़ विल बी अ राइट मेंटोर फॉर दिस यंगस्टर्स।
Yes, yes, rightly said, sir. Sir, who are you most looking forward to seeing in this series?
लॉट ऑफ प्लेयर्स। मुझे सबसे पहले तो शिखर धवन को मौका मिला इंडियन टीम को लीड करने का, तो आई एम श्योर ही विल बी वेरी वेरी एक्साइटेड टू लीड द इंडियन टीम। पृथ्वी शॉ, आई वुड लाइक टू सी हिम बिकॉज ऑस्ट्रेलिया के पहले 2 टेस्ट मैच जब उन्होंने परफॉर्मेंस नहीं किया था, तो ही was dropped and then he came back and kind of redeemed himself with his performance in the Vijay Hazare Trophy. He got close to 800 plus runs in Vijay Hazare Trophy alone. Being a captain, he led from the front, made Mumbai the champions, and I feel he was instrumental in Mumbai winning that trophy because of his performances. He got 100, 2 150 plus scores, and then after that IPL में भी उन्होंने 300 plus score बनाए half the season में। तो I'm sure looking forward to Prithvi Shaw, Devdutt Padikkal, जैसे मैंने कहा कि he is another exciting player. He had a very good IPL this year. Last season he got the Emerging Player of the Year tournament last season, and he also had a very good Vijay Hazare tournament where he got 4 consecutive hundreds. So he is another exciting player. उसके अलावा I'm looking forward to Kuldeep playing. I think he's been on the bench for a very long time, and I'm looking forward to him getting some opportunity and doing well, because he's a very exciting player. And I was surprised that he wasn't made to play for KKR even in Chennai, where the pitch was turning. So I was surprised, but I want to see him play and do really well, because he's a very good talent, a very young and very exciting player. Another guy I would be looking forward to it is Varun Chakravarti. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि he is a very dark horse. He's obviously a mystery bowler, and couple of times he got selected, but because of his fitness, he was dropped. But now he's back again, so I'm sure he's working on his fitness. And if he has a very good T20, I am quite sure he'll get his opportunities in the T20 internationals. And if he does really well, I feel he's a dark horse to be in the T20 World Cup, because like I said, he's got a mystery about him. So he's very likely to be in that T20 World Cup. Bhuvi again, he's coming back after an injury, so he'll be looking forward to doing well. Deepak Chahar, he had a very good IPL. So a lot of the other players, Yajwinder Chahal, he's obviously is very regular in our one-day T20 team. So he'll be looking forward to doing well. Sanju Samson, I would say, is another player that I'm looking forward to him do well, because he's another exciting player. But somewhere I feel he hasn't done justice to his talent for the Indian team. He's obviously got runs in the IPL, बट कहीं ना कहीं मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि उनके साथ एक एक टैग लगा हुआ है कि ही इज नॉट वेरी कंसिस्टेंट प्लेयर. He gets runs, and then you will see a 3 or 4 low scores, and then after a while he scores runs. So कहीं ना कहीं मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि we need to see him rectify that thing in him. And I saw a little bit of change in him this season when he was captain for Rajasthan Royals, and he batted very responsibly, in couple of games, and that is what we need to see him, because he's an outstanding talent. Ishan Kishan, another guy, I feel, he's got really exciting player, especially in T20 format, and the kind of IPL that he had last season. I think, he was instrumental. One of the guys I feel instrumental in Mumbai Indians winning the trophy last season. So he's another guy I'm looking forward to it.
Sir, you mentioned T20 World Cup is around the corner. Do you think the Indian team management would be looking at specific players or specific to fill because they don't have many matches going forward?
I don't think there is a lot of positions to fill. The openers are more or less pretty much the sure. We've got Shikhar Dhawan, we've got Rohit Sharma, Virat Kohli obviously wants to open. He said last time. KL Rahul is another guy who's in the waiting. So the top order is pretty much, I would say, has been occupied. Then obviously Surya Kumar Yadav would be another guy in the T20 World Cup, I feel. Hardik Pandya comes in after that. So there is not many spots, I would say, in the batting department, but you never know. You've got 3 one-day internationals, you've got 3 T20 international. Any outstanding inning or couple of really good performances can put you into that spot. So you can never say never. But I'm looking forward to, like I said, Varun Chakravarti. If he does really well, I feel because he's got that mystery about him, you are a little bit tempted to play those kind of bowlers, and he's done really well. He's done really well in the IPL. Only thing is his fitness and his fielding. And if he manages to get his fitness levels up, I won't be surprised if we get to see him in the T20 World Cup.
Sir, lastly, I would want to know your predictions for the ODI and T20 series.
I would say, like I said before at the start of the program, Indian team goes into, even though it is a second string Indian side, lot of the main players are missing out. I would still say Indian team is favorites to win both the trophies, the T20 and the one-day internationals, because we are blessed with such a good talent and potential. I would say Indians are favorites to win both the series.
Okay, thank you, sir, for inviting me. Looking forward to having a chat once again during the series or even after that. Thank you.
Thank you, the common man. Thank you for your questions. I'm sure there's a lot of questions answered. आप सभी लोगों से मैं गुजारिश करूंगा कि कमेंट सेक्शन में जरूर अपनी राय लिखकर भेजिए. लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब, एंड इंशाल्लाह जल्दी ही अपने अगले वीडियो के साथ मिलेंगे. विश यू वेल एंड डू टेक केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ.